The 2027 GMC Sierra EV could be the moment electric trucks truly replace traditional workhorses. With a broader lineup, longer driving range, and smarter technology, GMC positions its electric flagship as both a luxury statement and a true tool. Bold new presence. For 2027, the Sierra E5 keeps its muscular, professional-grade identity while adopting subtle refinements inspired by the redesigned gas-powered Sierra. Expect a cleaner front end, improved aerodynamics, and signature animated LED lighting that emphasizes its high-tech character. One of the biggest talking points remains the multi-pro midgate. This clever feature transforms the truck's bed, extending usable cargo length to nearly 11 feet, making the Sierra EV uniquely practical for hauling long materials or weekend adventure gear. Trim personalities help the Sierra EV appeal to different buyers. Denali focuses on polished wheels and premium accents. AT4 brings lifted suspension and off-road hardware, while Elevation offers a darker, more utilitarian look at a more accessible price point. Luxury meets tech. Inside, the 2027 Sierra EV leans heavily into premium design and digital innovation. Denali models showcase open-pore wood, stainless accents, in a calm, upscale atmosphere designed to rival luxury SUVs rather than traditional pickup interiors. The dashboard is dominated by a massive portrait-style touchscreen, paired with a fully digital driver display and a colorful head-up display. Everything feels designed to reduce clutter while keeping critical information directly in the driver's line of sight. Comfort also plays a major role. Heated and ventilated seats, quilted leather, a panoramic glass roof, and the power-operated e-trunk provide both everyday convenience and long-distance comfort, reinforcing the Sierra EV's premium positioning. Power without compromise. Built on GM's Ultium platform, the Sierra E5 delivers serious performance numbers. With up to 760 horsepower available, this full-size electric truck can sprint to highway speeds faster than many sports cars without sacrificing capability. Range anxiety is addressed with multiple battery options. Depending on configuration, GMC is targeting anywhere from 300 miles to nearly 480 miles, supported by ultra-fast 800-volt charging that can add meaningful range in minutes. Advanced technology completes the package. Four-wheel steering with crab walk improves maneuverability. Super Cruise enables hands-free driving even while towing. And bi-directional charging turns the truck into a mobile power source when it matters most. The 2027 GMC Sierra EV isn't just another electric truck. It's a statement about where pickups are headed next. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe for future updates, and comment which electric truck you'd choose today.